Just having a look at the dates of Goodwood Revival, which is going to come up soon. So 184 days, 15 hours left. I mean, what are we in now? So we're in late March already. Basically got just over 5 months to get this car ready. Bear in mind, if we have to start ordering parts from the States, it's going to be at least 2 months. Most restoration be sort of 12 to 24 month turnaround. So 5 months with just me and George on the case is going to be tight. But quietly confident that we might get it done. We'll see. We'll see. It's a brand new month and we're going to start stripping the Mustang out. So that means removing the engine, doors, interiors, basically anything that's no good to us. If we're lucky, we might find some bits that we can still use, which will save us from having a longer list of parts to order. My only worry is by taking stuff out, we may find some problems we haven't even thought about yet.
Got the interior starting to be stripped out, and we can see the floors a bit more, which are very bad. Someone's painted it with some sort of sealer to try and protect it, but it's actually trapped the water in there to make it rust even worse. So we'll be putting a new floor pan in this. We just got to get this fully stripped out and get this blasted and then start sorting everything out.
George, what have we got here? Yeah, have you been here all night?
Not
Did
quite.
you go home?
Not quite.
This is bad. This is real bad. How's the engine?
Yeah, it's not in a very good way.
I mean,
dry. Yeah.
How are we going to get parts in time? Deadline's approaching and most of this stuff's got to come from the States. Body panel is going to be the worst one, especially trying to get any steel pressed panels at the minute.
Yeah.
Engine we should be all right.
Let's see what's going on.
Save it. Or if we put in a new crate engine, let's see how we go.
It's gonna be a tight one.
Yeah. OK, what we got here? Tin floor.
Yeah, tin alley.
That'll all have to come out.
Front floor, as you know, is totally gone.
Some nuts and
various
crap. The seals are holding it together, though.
Yeah, they're good, but stuff like that ain't good. I did find something quite interesting in the boot you might want to look at anyway. Yeah? Yeah, come and have a look.
What did you find, George?
Fuel ration book. There you go.
What year is that? 1978. Half an imperial gallon.
We've got the registration number on the front, look, of this car.
That's a little dash sticker when it's done.
Yeah.
Anything else interesting in there, though?
No, the back panel's quite weak at the top.
Original stickers, though, on the boot.
Yeah.
Let's see if we have anything left when it comes back from the blasters.
Yeah. It's going to be in a sorry state, I think. And this is so heavy.
On your own, George.
One of the cylinder heads off. Wish the other ones would be done with as easy as that. Right, here we are. The heart of the car's coming out. We call the engine. This is the cylinder block. We'll be able to have a better investigation once we get it out and we've stripped them on the bench. But this is a big moment because it's a big, heavy part of the car as well coming out. Now, once we've got this out, we can get the gearbox out and then we can start really seeing what we've got.
So George started stripping down the Mustang. I think engine's out, gearbox is out. Pressure's on me now to start ordering some bits, which is going to be difficult because I know that UK supplies are low. So yeah, start ordering and we'll see where we get to.
Hello, Magnum.
Hello, mate. Can you just do us a favour and just check some stock for us?
Yeah, not a problem.
It's for a 1968 Coupe Mustang.
Right. We are struggling with Mustang at the moment.
You're struggling with Mustang at the minute. What's the sort of lead time for some new panels?
They're on order. We expect them any time, but the problem is we're having trouble getting the containers onto ships.
Yeah.
We've got one coming in next month, but it's all escort stuff.
Yeah. That won't fit the Mustang.
Exactly. I've got some bonnets in.
Yeah? Well, hey. What about any bumpers?
For the coupe.
Yeah.
I've got some rear bumpers.
Rear bumpers?
But no front.
but no front.
Got the boot lid?
You've got the boot lid in a 68, yeah. So that'd be a start.
Yeah, just hold on a minute. Let me just check something. 25, 76. No, I haven't got the bonnet inches, I'm sorry.
No. All right, leave it with me. I'll give you a bell back. There we go. We've got a boot lid and a rear bumper out of a list of panels. Won't show George that though, he'll get a bit nervous.
She's in a very bad way, needs a lot of work, a lot to sort out, not just the body. There's the engine, the gearbox, the axles, the brakes, the suspension. It just don't stop. We've got plenty to do anyway. So we crack on with it. Needs a lot of work. No time to do it.
Just going to try calling another couple of companies in the UK. Might be lucky. Can I just check if you got some stock on some 68 Coupe Mustang parts?
What is it you're after?
A full floor pan.
Definitely not at the minute, unfortunately.
Any idea on lead time on that, or?
Probably looking at the later end of the year where things are at the minute.
Okay. Later on in the year, okay. And just a couple of rear quarters.
So it'll be a few months away, yeah.
Few months.
Yeah.
Okay. Not till the end of the year for the floor pan, or the bonnet, or a lot of the other bits. So it looks like we're going to the States. Get some bits in from there. Yeah. It's pretty bad news because normally they would keep stock pre-COVID, pre-Brexit, pre-Russia war, but now we're banging trouble. So it's going to be tough with the deadline coming up of the show, so we'll just have to see what we can do. So next stage is now strip out's done, so we'll send the body off to be sandblasted, and then we'll really see what we've got left with metalwork wise. And then it's all the body work, so repairing all the panels that we can repair, replacing panels, cutting panels out, getting the body as good as it will ever be before paint stages.
Will get very hard. This is the easy bit.
But you're the masters, right?
Yeah, we'll do it, don't you worry.